This is the last one. I got two more.
Oh,
all right, I got to show you this one. So let's skip down to number 23. The president of Tanzania in Africa, what he did is to expose what's going on with coronavirus. He sent, now he's a doctor, my understanding, he's a doctor. He sent to his country's, Tanzania's, kind of their CDC, he sent 3 samples, and he gave them human names. All 3 samples came back positive for coronavirus. The samples were a goat, a papaya, and
car oil.
Was it?
What?
No.
That's what I read from the subtitle. So this is
car oil. What do you mean? He gave samples of those and they came back all coronaed up?
Quail. No, it was a quail.
Quail.
I read it was a quail, a goat, and a papaya. It sounds like a joke. It sounds like a joke. A papaya,
went into a bar,
and a quail walk into a COVID testing center. Okay, all 3 came back positive for coronavirus, and the president of Tanzania said, "I caught you.
Wow,
I got you. I caught you." And he fired the country's top health officer, and he told the World Health Organization, "You're not coming in this country to vaccinate my population."
That's who was in control of the WHO,
yes.
Are the ones who probably told that lab, "Hey, this all corona."
Yes, but a papaya.
What a joke!
A papaya was infected. So he exposed them for what they are. We've got a video. We'll show the video. This is number 24, and we'll let this be the last one. Here's President of Tanzania.
Tulichukua sample za mbuzi, tukachukua sample za kondoo, tukachukua sample za papai, tukachukua sample za oili ya gari na sample za vitu vingine mbalimbali, tukavipeleka pale kwenye maabara bila wao kujua, na tukazipa majina. Sample ya oili kwa mfano iliyotoka kwa gari tulilipa jina ya Jabiri Hamza mwenye miaka 30, male. Ile ilileta negative. Tulipopeleka sample ya fenesi ambalo tuliipa jina la Sara Samueli miaka 45, female, matokeo yake yalikuwa unconclusive. Tulipopeleka sample ya papai tukaipa jina Elizabeth Anne miaka 26, female, papai lile lilikuwa positive kwamba lina corona. Maana yake maji mle ndani zilizotolewa mle kwenye papai ni positive. Tulipeleka sample ya ndege Kware, imekuwa positive. Tumepeleka sungura, ikawa determinant. Tumechukua mbuzi, akawa positive. Tukachukua kondoo, akawa negative, na kadhalika na kadhalika. Sasa ukishaona umepeleka sample ukamwambia huyu ni binadamu, halafu ikaji ikaletewa positive kwamba ina corona, maana yake labda mapapai yote yale nayo yangewekewa isolation. Ukipeleka mbuzi za sample nazo zikawa positive, maana yake mbuzi wote tulionao hapa labda by assumption au huyo mbuzi waliopelekwa nao walitakiwa wapewe kwenye isolation.
He made them into idiots.
Yes, he did.
Hey, that guy,
very smart man. He exposed them as idiots, as liars. And he said, well, we need to put all the goats in isolation. We need to lock down all the papayas.
Contact trace the papayas.
He exposed them for lying.
He better be careful because he exposed. That's
why do you think that
military guy was behind him? Yeah. Did you see the reporter?
Oh, he was like shocked.
His mouth. I can't believe what I'm hearing right now.
This is insane.
You're not going to see it on Fox News.
Oh,
you're not going to see it on CNN. You're not going to read the Washington Post. You only see it and hear it on True News. the president of Tanzania tricked them.
Where are you going to hear that? You're not. This is where you hear that stuff. This show. This is just the honest truth coming out.
It is, folks. And we do it all by faith